Hello, Sarah of SEK Handmade here, and today I'm going to share with you how to crochet a single crochet popcorn stitch. I am being very intentionally specific because there are lots of ways and stitches that you can use to make a popcorn stitch, and today I'm going to show you a single crochet version. Be sure to read your instructions very carefully because, as I said before, different stitches can be used to make these popcorns. Making a popcorn stitch just gives your project so much fun texture. Just look at how they raise up so nicely from the fabric. They're really a lot of fun, and the good news is they're not hard to make. So, as I said before, read your instructions carefully, not only about how the bobble stitch is made, but also where it's placed. I'm just going to place it right in my next stitch here. And to work your popcorn, all you're going to do is to single crochet 4 single crochets into the same stitch. Once you've done that, you're going to count your stitches here real quick. I did 3. Let's make 1 more. That's a 4th stitch. Now this next part can seem scary, but it really doesn't have to be. You're going to go ahead and remove your hook from that last loop. So go ahead and pull it up nice and tall and then take it out. And now you're going to count back to the very first stitch that you put in that stitch. So you're going to count back 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert your hook into that first stitch from front to back. Grab that loop that you pulled up nice and tall, tighten it a little bit, and go ahead and pull through that first stitch. And there you go. You've made your popcorn stitch. I'm going to go ahead and put just a single crochet in between mine. Again, read your pattern carefully for placement and stitches. And then let's go ahead and make another one right in this next stitch. You're going to go ahead and place 4 single crochets in that stitch right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then go ahead and pull that loop up nice and high, remove your hook, count 1, 2, 3, 4, back to that first stitch, insert your hook, go ahead and tighten that loop and pull back through that first stitch, and there's another popcorn stitch. Again, I'm just going to place a single crochet in between. Check your pattern, of course, for placements, and let's make 1 more popcorn stitch. Go ahead and put 4 single crochets all in that very next stitch. There we go. Pull that loop up high. Remove your hook, count back 1, 2, 3, 4, insert your hook, stick that loop back over your hook, pull through that first stitch, and you've completed another popcorn stitch. Such amazing texture. That is how you create a single crochet popcorn stitch. Written instructions are in the description below. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any tips and tutorials, and happy crafting!